Hello, what's going on? Today we're gonna react to an awesome video from Awesome that's gonna talk about Java. Is it now the best time to learn Java? To give a little bit of context, I have been doing Java since forever. It's basically my first high-level language, and I've been working with that since early days in the university. Most of my projects were done in Java. And after that, most of my jobs were in Java as well, doing a bunch of different type of projects. So I really love it. I really understand it, and I prefer it over a lot of other languages because of their consistency. Java is amazing. It's a little bit more difficult. It has a little bit more of a curve, but once you get it, it's awesome. I fucking love it. But it does have some downsides. One of them is it's too verbose. You have to write a lot of boilerplate in order to do simple stuff, well, complex stuff as well. But hopefully that's gonna be fixed. I haven't been in touch with Java for quite a long time now, so I don't know what's the best practices are right now. So I'm really happy and excited to see what's about this video. Let's see what's going on.
Java 24 is about to get released, and this version continues to move the platform forward by delivering better performance and an improved developer experience.
And as you can see,
Yeah, exactly. That's one of the things that Java has. Developer experience, it's zero. Especially with all the community expectations that you code when you're coding Java. You need like a factory for your facades and for your singletons and the singleton command factory, and it's like kind of like, yeah, is this all necessary? That's probably one of the biggest downsides in my opinion, but it's also fun, to be honest. All those patterns. But yeah, let's see.
I am not dead.
Thanks to its regular releases and the backing of huge companies, Java is far from being the plain old verbose language some of us remember from the early 2000s. The reality is that Java is quickly becoming an amazing option for modern development, blending the reliability of its enterprise roots and large user base with cutting-edge features that make coding more efficient and enjoyable. In the next couple of minutes, we'll review 4 exciting updates from this new release, and by the end of the video, you'll see that Java is one of the best choices when it comes to programming in 2025.
Nice. So one of the things that I want to see is how does this version of Java is gonna improve the use of frameworks, for example, Spring Boot. Is there gonna be some kind of ease of use there? Let's see.
Throughout the years, Java programs got the bad reputation of being slow to start and heavy on memory usage. This is true to some extent, especially when comparing it with languages like Go. However, This is about to change thanks to Project Leiden. This is an initiative in the Java ecosystem aimed at improving startup and warm-up times while increasing the overall performance with the introduction of ahead-of-time compilation. Java applications traditionally rely on just-in-time compilation, which compiles bytecode to native machine code at runtime. While this allows for optimizations based on actual execution, it also leads to slow startup times and high warm-up overhead. This is especially problematic in cloud environments where microservices and serverless functions need to start quickly.
And end quickly because they have a timeout on the cloud.
Project Leiden will make Java programs start faster, warm up quicker, and use less memory, improving efficiency, especially in the cloud.
Oh my god, it has everything.
In Java in recent years has been Project Loom, which introduced virtual threads in Java 21. Now, with Java 24, virtual threads are getting even better, making highly concurrent applications easier to write and more scalable. Traditionally, Java has relied on platform threads, which are managed by the operating
and it's not that cool. The runner threads, they are not so easy to implement, in my opinion. There are simple ways of working with async in Java, and that's probably one of the biggest downsides of Java, in my opinion. Yeah, that's good. Let's see if they change the approach of it.
system. The problem is that these threads are heavyweight, so creating thousands of them for concurrent workloads is inefficient. Virtual threads, on the other hand, are lightweight and managed by the JVM itself. They allow developers to create millions of concurrent tasks without the performance overhead of traditional threads. Version 24 brings several key improvements to virtual threads, so Java becomes a reliable solution for writing highly concurrent applications like web servers, database clients, or event-driven applications. Java's Streams API was considered a breakthrough when it was released, thanks to a declarative, functional way to work with collections. While flexible, Streams had one big limitation. You could either process elements one by one or use parallel streams with limited control over how the data was grouped and handled. With Java 24, that's changing. Stream gatherers introduce a more flexible way to control how elements are collected, batched, and processed within a stream, making large-scale data processing much more efficient.
That is so cool. I like this so much. Holy shit, this is very interesting.
Pattern matching was another much-awaited
we have an API for that. That's cool.
Java improvement. It started as a small feature, making instance of checks less tedious, but with every new release, it's becoming a fundamental part of how Java handles data. In Java 24, pattern matching gets even better. Instead of writing multiple if-else conditions to check different types of objects, you can now handle them all in a clean, readable switch block. On top of that, Java allows deeper pattern matching within records. If you have a record that contains another record, you can extract values directly within a pattern match without writing extra code to manually unpack them. This new release shows that Java is focusing on the right things, proving that the language is in better shape than ever. If you like this video, you might find some of these ones interesting.
Yeah, 100%. I don't really want to go back to Java, not because of like it means to going back to it, but it's really I really want to try and learn another language. Probably something like OCaml, probably something like SIG, which is the hot topics right now. And I already feel that I will be competent at if I have to pick up a project with Java. I would still be competent. So probably not gonna be on top of my priority, but this is really cool to see that actually Java is getting more modern improvements. I love it. Yeah, well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe the video, and as well go give Awesome some love. Thank you guys. Bye bye.